Another shot from Arlanda and RG3 Suspension Scandinavia and VP Northern Europe testing day. I'm on my KTM 300 TPI Earthbird 2021, still with stock suspension. But I have to say that the suspension here is hardly the limiting factor. It's more about the problem is on top of the bike, so to speak. Nonetheless, it's improving by huge strides. Watching this, you might not think so, but yeah, just check out the top corner from last year when I was on my 450. I have to say I'm making pretty big progress actually. The total is actually an improvement of 30 seconds. So yeah, just imagine how slow I was going before. But regardless, we're having so much fun, and it's yeah, on some rare occasions even feel like I know what I'm doing, even if it's temporary. So yeah, it's going pretty well, even though I'm starting to get a bit tired. It's always good for me to have someone to chase, to improve and push myself a bit more. And just about here I push myself so I even forget about the right turn. But that's no problem, just a quick whip around. But that wasn't so quick. So yeah, despite this little accident, all in all it was a really great day, and I'm definitely coming back to work on my skills even more. See you soon. Bye bye.